Many AI tools are generative software programs that help people with different tasks and can, in some cases, reduce effort and produce professional outputs. But before using it, we need to understand who owns the things it creates and how it respects people's privacy. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. It helps me to level up as well as you. Stay tuned. Always read the terms of use for yourself. This is a guide and is not legal advice. First up, ownership of the response. When AI tools output a response, the person or entity using it can claim ownership of that response. But there are some important things to remember. We can't claim ownership if the response is not unique, meaning it can be given to other people too, i.e. facts. Secondly, we can't say that the response was made by a person if it was actually made by AI, especially for the consulting or advice spaces. Thirdly, we can't use AI to do things that are not allowed by law, like copying other people's work, for example, plagiarism. As for ownership of the prompt, the person using AI or the entity owns the things they write as the prompt, as long as it's allowed by law. I want to touch on data ethics. Apart from the legal rules, we should also think about what is right and what is wrong when using AI. Data ethics is about using data in a way that benefits people and society. We need to make sure that using AI in our case is good for everyone and has a positive impact. So when do I use AI? The following diagram shows in broad terms where AI fits into your problem-solving workflow. Right, to explain this diagram a bit, we start with your problem. Does the answer need to be 100% accurate? For instance, are you a doctor or a lawyer serving clients? If you're okay with the accuracy, then ask yourself, can I validate or check the outputs created? For instance, is the output so complex or beyond your grasp of the subject? It would be irresponsible to claim expertise on something you have no knowledge about or can explain. Lastly, does the output require you to own the full rights of the outputs? For example, if it is for artistic license, consulting, legal, or policy, consider whether there are any legal implications. So, there you have it, the really boring side of AI. But it's important to know where you stand on this, especially as you start to integrate and potentially benefit from the AI world. Taking the time to read the legal terms of use for any AI products, privacy and other information on the AI tools, it could save you headaches down the road. If you like this, consider subscribing and hit the thumbs up. Take care.